STEP is a world-class safety management system.
You know, I look at STEP as a journey, and every journey starts with a single step.
We've got issues in America today with substance abuse, opioid addiction, suicidal construction projects. These are things that are facing contractors every day. What STEP gives us that opportunity to now look at not the OSHA standard, that's literally the foundation. STEP takes you to that next level to make sure that you're not just doing things for the sake of doing things, you're doing the right things well.
If a company is focused on wanting to get better, wanting to learn, you have to have a metric to measure yourself by, and STEP provides that metric.
The goals for the company is to continue to minimize risk and ensure that we provide a safe and healthy work environment for all of our employees.
We all have the right or should have the ability to go and work in a safe environment and come home maybe a little tired, but with no injuries.
Here's the deal. People are dying in our industry every day, and that's unacceptable. And so therefore, we as contractors in America today must do everything we possibly can to ensure the safety of the people on our projects.
STEP starts out as the basic requirements, but as you progress through the program up to diamond level, then it's what you would call world class. It's where you're operating way above OSHA requirements or industry requirements. It'll talk about behavior-based safety, accident investigations, but kind of spells it out on here's what you need to be world class.
Safety isn't about luck. You have to plan for safety. You have to think for safety. You've got to build for safety. You've got to equip for safety. You've got to lead in safety, and you've got to commit to safety.
I think it's very useful. It makes you take a good hard look at yourself and understand kind of where you stand, where you're trying to go.
It may seem overwhelming at first to go through the STEP process, but once you actually commit to it, it's actually very easy to go through, and your local chapter will give you a lot of support to make sure that you can develop that process.
When we're out there trying to get the jobs built, you're trying to find an advantage any way you can, whether it's through a better piece of equipment, a better process, better materials, and sometimes it's something like STEP that makes you look at yourself hard, figure out how you can get better and protect your people. Your people are your company. Without your people, you're not going to get the job done.
If you're known as a safe company, you're going to be the company people want to go to work for. Everyone has people that are dependent upon them. They want to go to work, do their job as best they can, be given the right tools, and safety is just another tool.
Use STEP as a tool to make your job site safer, to do an internal assessment of your own organization and how you're going to get that done.
The STEP process really does help establish what we're fundamentally focused on and continue to critique our program to make sure that we meet those challenges and those goals.
Just start. Just get started with the program.
The next great leap in safety performance will not be another piece of equipment, a robot that's going to replace an individual. It's going to be a group of men and women in our industry today that make the commitment to say, I will not tolerate an injury or a fatality on my projects ever.